One of the essential features of any science is quantitative analysis, the conversion of observations into numbers. In physics, the numbers represent things like energy and mass and speed. Think of Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. And psychology is no exception. When we study sensation, we ask people to assign numbers that represent how bright a light is. When we study memory, we count how many items they can recall from a list that they've studied. We have scales for measuring individual differences in personality. Numbers are everywhere in psychology, just as they are in every other science. We use numbers to measure the impact of our experimental manipulations and to measure the strength of association between various aspects of mind and behavior. In this lecture, I want to introduce you to some of the elements of quantitative analysis in psychology, how we measure the variables we're interested in, how we summarize the findings from a study, how we determine whether the relationships we think we see are really there or just a matter of chance. Now, this isn't a mathematics course any more than it's a biology course. I don't want you to get caught up in memorizing formulas. Most of these formulas I couldn't reproduce from memory to save my life. There are certain elementary statistics that you should be able to calculate, like the mean, the median, and the mode of a distribution. But these are matters of simple arithmetic. With anything beyond that, at this level of study, we're more interested in your understanding of the concepts involved, rather than in your ability to perform certain mathematical computations. More than anything else, we want you to get a feel for quantitative analysis in psychology. If you decide to major in psychology, you'll end up taking a whole course in methods and statistics, and then you can memorize those formulas. And then you'll probably forget them just as I did. The calculations involved are now mostly done by computer, not by hand. But even if you don't major in psychology, you should consider taking an additional elementary course in probability and statistics, what the mathematicians call discrete mathematics. Frankly, it'll probably be of greater value to you lifelong than a semester or two of calculus. We live in a world of statistics, whether it's the result of a political poll that reports the percentage of a population that favors some candidate, or an outcome study that will help you to determine which of several different medical treatments to choose the next time you're sick. And so the more comfortable you are with probability and statistics, the better off you're going to be.